So what's special about Bijapur?
Gol Gumbaz, if you know.
Ah,
Yeah.
how did I miss that? Yeah, Gol Gumbaz, the famous place. Hi, my name is Anil. What's
Hi.
your name?
Anusha.
Anusha. And
Yeah.
where are you from?
I'm from Bijapur, Karnataka.
Bijapur.
Yeah.
Okay. How long is it? You're staying in Bangalore.
It's been 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing for a living?
I'm actually a student. I'm pursuing BTech CSC.
BTech.
Yeah.
Which college?
CMR University.
Okay. So you're studying.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. So what's your favorite song?
Favorite song? There are many.
Any one in particular?
No, I don't have favorite actor.
You don't have any favorite actors. Bad luck actors, bad luck. Okay then. We'll start.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. It is coming something like this.
Yeah, it's
It's
fine.
nice. It's only because for the depth. The more the background, the more the highlight you become. So can you do something else, with the poses? Can you do some gestures, love, something like that? You won't do. You'll do. You'll do. So yeah, feel free, nah. Just give me something, enjoy the photo shoot. Feel free. I'm your friend. It's okay. Ignore them, as I'm ignoring. Yeah, like that. Now we are talking. Something like that. You're very shy, I guess.
What?
You're very shy.
No, I'm a content creator.
You're a content creator. Arre. Then this should be perfect, right? For you to explore your content, like something, you have to open up. But it's okay, it's a street photography, right?
Yeah,
So
looking
it's
for the
limited.
person.
Even I'm limited, you're limited. It's okay. But this came good.